Creating a Google business description using AI is easier than ever. If you're looking for a quick, effective way to optimize your Google business profile, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to create compelling, high-quality business descriptions that stand out, all with the help of AI. The first thing you want to do is understand the purpose of your Google business description. It's meant to attract potential customers by briefly describing your business, your services, and why people should choose you. You want it to be clear, concise, and engaging. To get started, head over to the software we'll be using today. You can sign up for an exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along step by step. This software leverages AI to generate powerful business descriptions that resonate with your audience. It's quick and efficient, saving you tons of time. Once you're logged in, you'll want to input some basic details about your business. Make sure to include your business name, location, and a brief summary of the services or products you offer. The more specific you can be, the better. AI works best when it has clear information to work with. Next, the software will guide you through a series of prompts to help it understand the tone and style you're going for. Do you want something professional, friendly, or casual? This is where you can make your description truly reflect your business identity. The AI will then generate a few different options based on your input. Now, it's time to refine your description. Read through the AI-generated suggestions and tweak them if needed. Focus on highlighting what makes your business unique. Include key terms that people might search for when looking for businesses like yours. This will help improve your visibility on Google, making it easier for potential customers to find you. You can also use AI to enhance your description's readability. Make sure it's concise, free from jargon, and easy to understand. People should know exactly what you offer in just a few sentences. This is where AI can really help you craft a description that gets straight to the point while being engaging. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to copy and paste your description into your Google business profile. Don't forget to update it periodically as your business evolves or as you introduce new services or products. The key takeaway here is that creating an effective Google business description doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. With the help of AI, you can craft a description that's optimized for both your audience and Google's algorithm, helping you stand out and attract more customers. To recap, here are the main points. Start by entering your business details into the software. Choose the tone and style you want. Let AI generate your description, refine it, and make sure it's clear, concise, and highlights what makes your business unique. And lastly, don't forget to use the exclusive free trial linked in the description below so you can follow along and create your own business description with ease. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the free trial in the description if you want to try this for yourself.